Hey, it's your everyday talk buddy. Real English, real moments. Today you will walk into a coffee shop. The air smells like roasted beans and early ambition. People speak fast. Orders fly across the counter like code words only locals understand. It's your turn. You hesitate for half a second, not because you don't know English, but because you don't know the flow. Today, we fix that. You'll learn how to order coffee like a local, how to repair small mistakes, and how to sound natural, not nervous, in one of the most universal social rituals on Earth: ordering your morning coffee. Locals don't speak in perfect grammar. They speak in rhythm, short, rising tones, friendly falls, tiny pauses. They don't say, "I would like to have 1 cup of coffee, please." They say, "Hi, can I get a latte?" Or, "I'll take a cappuccino." Each phrase is compact, almost musical. The melody matters, a rising tone when asking, "Can I get an Americano?" and a soft fall to close. "To go, please." That pattern, rise, fall, pause, is what makes English sound effortless. So when you walk to the counter, forget long sentences. Use sound chunks. Confidence lives in rhythm, not vocabulary. Let's hear this mini dialogue, the simple, everyday order.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get an iced latte, please?
Sure. Any milk preference?
Oat milk, please.
Got it. Name for the order?
Val.
That's the complete transaction. 6 sentences, 0 stress. Notice what happens. Short sentences, friendly tone, small smile in the voice. You sound fluent not because of words, but because of calm timing. You can almost feel it, efficiency mixed with warmth. That's everyday English. Now picture this. Halfway through your order, you change your mind. It happens to everyone, locals included.
Hi, can I get a cappuccino? Actually, can I change that to a flat white?
Sure, no problem.
That tiny word "actually" is powerful. It repairs mistakes instantly and politely. It means, "Wait, I'm adjusting, stay with me." Locals do it constantly. "Actually, can I get that iced?" "Actually, make it decaf." "Actually, can I change that to oat milk?" Each version keeps the tone light, confident, and real. Fluency isn't about avoiding mistakes, it's about handling them smoothly. Now imagine the cafe is busy. The barista speaks fast. You catch half the sentence. You freeze for a second. But here's the secret. Locals miss things too. They just repair faster.
Would you like that for here or to go?
Sorry, what was that?
For here or to go?
Oh, to go, please. Thanks.
2 repair phrases fix everything. "Sorry, what was that?" And "Could you repeat that?" They're short, kind, and universal. The trick isn't understanding every word. It's keeping the rhythm alive. That's what native speakers do. They stay in the conversation, not outside of it. Repairing is emotional intelligence in language. It signals comfort, not insecurity. 3 universal repair tools work anywhere. 1. "Actually, can I get the cold brew without sugar?" when changing your mind. 2. "Sorry, what was that?" when you didn't hear. 3. "No worries, take your time," when the other person hesitates. Each phrase softens the exchange. Instead of sounding robotic, you sound kind, flexible, human. In English, fluency lives in these micro moments, the seconds after something goes wrong. Master them, and everything else feels easier. Now, let's step inside the language of coffee culture, the vocabulary you'll hear everywhere. Sizes: small, medium, large. But international chains love style. Tall for small, grande for medium, venti for large. If you're unsure, ask casually. "What sizes do you have?" Types of coffee: latte, espresso with steamed milk. Cappuccino, thicker foam, smaller cup. Flat white, smoother milk texture. Americano, espresso plus hot water. Macchiato, espresso with a touch of foam. cold brew, slow steeped, stronger flavor. Each name tells a small story of culture and habit. Milk options: whole milk, skim, oat, almond, soy, coconut. When asked, any milk preference? The local rhythm is simply, oat milk please, or regular milk's fine. Add-ons and customizations: extra shot, decaf, syrup, vanilla, caramel, hazelnut. Less ice, extra hot, no sugar. English thrives on options. You sound natural when you make small choices out loud. Accessories: lid, sleeve, straw, napkin. Each word is a tool for daily fluency. Can I get a sleeve, please? Protects your hand, but also proves your confidence. These words are microcurrency: small, frequent, and everywhere. Let's bring all of it together in motion. 3 short visuals that tell the story of fluent coffee shop English.
Morning. What can I get started for you?
Hi, can I get a large cappuccino? Actually, make it iced.
Iced cappuccino. Got it. Would you like soy or almond milk?
Sorry, what was that?
Soy or almond?
Oh, almond please.
Perfect. Something's wrong with the machine. Give me a moment.
Sure, no worries. Take your time.
That'll be $4.75. Thanks. Have a great day.
You too.
Each dialogue lasts less than 10 seconds. Yet in those seconds, you hear warmth, clarity, and confidence, the essence of real conversation. Let's recap. You learned the rhythm of natural English, how locals order: short, melodic, polite. 3 key repairs: actually, can I? Sorry, what was that? No worries, take your time. Real cafe vocabulary: drinks, sizes, milks, add-ons, and accessories. And how fluency feels: light, human, spontaneous. Fluency isn't knowing everything. It's sound at ease, even when you adjust mid-sentence. Ordering coffee is a ritual: small, repetitive, familiar. It's the perfect stage to practice connection. When you walk into your next cafe, let the rhythm carry you. Short words, soft tone, easy flow. That's how locals sound fluent, without trying. This is your everyday talk buddy. Real English, real moments. Follow or subscribe for more daily moments that train your ear and build your natural voice. Next episode talks about your feelings naturally, 15 real-life responses. See you next time, and enjoy your coffee.